Over to news coming in also on what's dominating Karnataka politics, because remember that 14 of the 28 seats go to polls tomorrow in phase 2. And while the Prime Minister in many of his campaigns hasn't really been focusing on Karnataka, whether it's in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, he's been breaking up one issue from Karnataka, the Muslim quota, and has lashed out at the Congress repeatedly saying this is the model that they brought in Karnataka that they want to bring across the country of ensuring quota for Muslims at the cost of Dalits, at the cost of OBCs. Now you've had Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and even the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy hitting back at Prime Minister Modi. Siddaramaiah particularly highlighting that it was way back in 1995 under Deve Gowda that the Muslim quota actually became a reality in Karnataka.
Fight over Muslim quota in Karnataka reignites. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lambasted the Congress on Thursday in his election speeches, accusing it of giving OBC status to Muslims in Karnataka. Prime Minister Modi claimed the Congress is snatching rights of the OBCs and wants the Karnataka model across India.
कांग्रेस ने शिक्षा और सरकारी नौकरी में पहले जिन ओबीसी लोगों को आरक्षण मिलता था, उस ओबीसी समाज में इतने सारे नए डाल दिए कि ओबीसी समाज को जो आरक्षण मिलता था वो उनसे छीन लिया। कांग्रेस की चले तो गरीब कल्याण की योजनाओं का लाभ भी धर्म के आधार पर देती, क्योंकि कांग्रेस तो डंके की चोट पर यही कहती है कि देश के संसाधनों पर पहला हक मुसलमानों का है।
Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah responded to Prime Minister's attack, saying his remarks stemmed from ignorance. The CM pointed out that it was BJP's current ally Deve Gowda who implemented Muslim reservation in the state.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ 4% ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅವರೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Adding fuel to the fire, Telangana CM Revanth Reddy claimed the BJP will scrap reservation by 2025.
ఆర్ఎస్ఎస్ యొక్క భావజాలము, బీజేపీ యొక్క విధానము ఈ దేశంలో ఉన్న రిజర్వేషన్లను రద్దు చేయడమే. ఈ ఎస్సీ ఎస్టీ ఓబీసీ రిజర్వేషన్లు రద్దు చేయాలంటే 400 సీట్లు కావాలి. 2/3 మెజారిటీతోని లోక్సభ రాజ్యసభలో ఈ బిల్లును ఆమోదింపజేసి అన్ని రాష్ట్రాల మీద ఒత్తిడి తీసుకొచ్చి రిజర్వేషన్లను రద్దు చేయడానికి భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ కుట్ర చేస్తుంది.
It all began in 1975 when a report was submitted to then Devraj Ur's government in Karnataka saying Muslims were eligible for quota. In 1979, Devraj Ur's government included Muslims in backward list. In 1994, Veerappa Moily-led Congress government included Muslims in special backward list and introduced 6% Muslim quota. However, the Supreme Court scrapped this quota and fixed a 50% cap on quota. The Moily government collapsed in 1994 due to a political crisis. In 1995, CM H.D. Deve Gowda brought back the Muslim quota. In 2023, the BJP government led by Basavaraj Bommai moved to abolish the Muslim quota in the middle of state elections. But the SC came down heavily on the move, forcing the Bommai government to maintain status quo.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has hit out, stating that his NDA partner and former Prime Minister Deve Gowda had implemented the 4% reservation for Muslim in the state of Karnataka. And even the historical facts shows that it was notified by Veerappa Moily government, but it was implemented by then Chief Minister Deve Gowda's JDS government. With Madhu Sagairaj reporting for India Today, Bengaluru.